how to redeem promo code on Duolingo. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem promo code on Duolingo. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Duolingo application on your mobile device, or you may also go to Duolingo website on your PC. Now once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your account. If not, enter your credentials to access your Duolingo account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here you need to tap on this gems icon from the top. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. From this page, you will find various options. You need to scroll down until you find this option promo code. Under promo code, you will find redeem option. Tap on this option, and once you do so, you will be presented with this interface on your screen. Here you will find the box where you will need to type in your promo code exactly as it appears to successfully redeem it. Once you have entered the promo code, make sure the promo code is valid and is not expired. After entering the promo code, tap on this apply button right here, and if it is valid, you will be able to redeem this promo code. So by following these steps, you should be able to redeem your promo code on Duolingo. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.